People used to fear that someone would steal their money. Today, things work in a much smarter way. Now the money leaves on its own, quietly, automatically, every single month. The most dangerous thing about subscriptions is that they look small. $5 here, $10 there, a few more somewhere inside another app, and your brain instantly says, that's basically free. But the real problem is that subscriptions never arrive alone. They slowly gather around you, quietly, almost invisibly, like mosquitoes in summer. And now literally everything has a subscription. Movies, music, food delivery, cloud storage, AI tools, fitness apps, sleep apps, productivity apps. At this point, it honestly feels like your refrigerator will soon require a premium plan just to stay cold. Then companies realize something truly genius. Why sell a product once when you can turn the customer into a monthly source of income forever? For businesses, subscriptions are practically the perfect model. Money arrives automatically. People rarely cancel immediately. Many completely forget they're even paying. And investors look at stable, recurring revenue like archaeologists discovering hidden treasure. And the most interesting part is that all of this works perfectly with human psychology. Our brains hate large purchases. Spending $300 feels painful. It feels like losing real money. But $9.99 per month? That feels harmless, almost invisible, even though after a few years, you may end up paying far more than the original price. And that's where the real monster appears. Because individually, subscriptions seem tiny. But one day, they combine together. And suddenly, they become a giant monthly bill draining your money faster than you notice. And free trials? Those are an entirely different level of manipulation. Because companies understand one simple thing. If you press the button once, the chances of you staying increase dramatically. Nobody forgets to cancel on purpose. You were tired after work, distracted, you postponed it until tomorrow. You told yourself, I'll deal with it later. And that's exactly what the entire system is designed for. Somewhere right now, millions of forgotten subscriptions still exist. Fitness apps nobody has opened in months. Online courses abandoned after lesson 2. Meditation apps that now create stress every time they charge your card. And canceling a subscription? That has basically become a side quest. Signing up takes 2 seconds, but leaving requires menus, submenus, hidden settings, and emotional manipulation. Are you sure? We'll miss you. Your account will lose premium features, even though it's literally just a to-do list app. And the scariest part is that the subscription model is escaping the internet. Now subscriptions are appearing inside cars, home appliances, physical products. Heated seats as a subscription sounds like a joke, but it's already real. People used to own things, music, games, movies, software. Now we don't fully own almost anything. We simply rent access, and the moment you stop paying, everything disappears.